Where'd he go? Huh? Squish, squash. Hey, stop it! I said stop! Oh my God, what are we gonna do? Help me! Stop it! I said stop! Stop eating, Red. So we're just gonna stand here silent? Pretty much. Red, stop eating! Someone's house, I think. Black? Oh, hey, Black. Look at this new creation I made. Always creating stuff. And look what it can do. Look, Black. Disappear. Yay. Bro, stop eating Kit Kat. Honey, I'm home. But I'm a boy, and we're not even in a relationship. You. I thought we were brothers. Black, we could still make it right. Yeah, I think he's dead. I'm just gonna fly away. Ah, what the freak? You're lucky I can't fly. Bloop, bloop. I love swimming. Yup, yup. Bloop, bloop. I love swimming too. What is that? Huh? No! Cleaning. No, wait. Let me lick my lips. Let me just get in my Dorito bag. Oh, with my crusty little fingies. Yeah, I'll help him. He didn't really do anything except destroy my whole computer. But it's fine to help. Get off me, you loser! You want it too? Okay. Oh, you also want it? Go forth. Huh? We did it, man. Wait, I'm alive. I'm alive. Hey, guys. I'm gonna check on Orange. Orange. Bad news for good news. Orange is alive, but I don't know if he's alright. Oh my gosh, what the freak happened? Wait. I love you guys too.